See, as human beings, we've been taught a lie. And the lie is that other people have power over you. Ever since kids were 3 years old, a little kid goes to take something from somebody else and somebody doesn't want to share with them. And then the teacher comes up to them and says, tell him how he makes you feel when he doesn't want to share with you. Or you have another little kid come up, a Tammy Tattletale. Anybody have a Tammy Tattletale in their class? Billy hit me! And the teacher looks around, Billy's not here today. So Tammy Tattletale runs up to the teacher and says, he called me a poopy head. And the teacher, trying to teach empathy, says, tell her how she made you feel when she said those words to you. So the programming of a preschooler at 3, 4 years old, the supercomputer that's in their mind, the programming is other people can make you feel a certain way. And now that child is 20 years old and people say words to them and they get upset and they believe other people made them upset. Who here in this room has ever had somebody that's been mean to them? Who ever had somebody in this room that said mean words to you? What if I were to tell you it wasn't true? See, you've been taught the lie that inside the matrix of your mind, you've been taught that other people can make you feel a certain way. That's not reality. See, there's two worlds that we play in. There's the matrix, which is part of your mind, which scientists don't know exactly where the mind is. The brain is up here. The mind is somewhere. Where we sleep, when we go to sleep, who knows where the mind goes? Then there's reality. The mind tells us that if I tell a child not to do something, they won't do it. How many of you are genuinely surprised? Don't do that. Wow, he did it. If I say to this young lady over here, you're not allowed to touch her. Okay, there you go. So in the world of your mind, I told the child not to do something, I told the human not to do something, they're not going to want to do it. In the world of reality, I told her how to get my attention, and I told the entire classroom how to get my attention. By touching. Because that's the world of reality. We say so many things to kids that we would never accept for ourselves. You get what you get? Right, now go out to dinner tonight and order your favorite meal. Who here likes to eat steak? Imagine you order your steak, you order it the way that you want, and the waiter brings out your tofu salad. And you look at the waiter as respectfully as possible and say, excuse me, this is not what I ordered. And the waiter goes, you get what you get, you don't get upset.